Pronouns used in sentences. Number 1. I ate donuts for dessert. Number 2. Did you have fun last night? Number 3. He is my intelligent brother. Number 4. They cook spaghetti on my birthday celebration. Number 5. My mother is a hard-working person. She loves us very much. Number 6. These are my toys. It belongs to me. Number 7. We love to eat healthy foods. Number 8. Can you join us in our IVFC online class? Number 9. Teacher Edu is our online teacher in IVFC Math class. And number 10. In IVFC, no one will be left behind.
Examples of pronouns. Number 1. Are you the person who borrowed my pencil? Number 2. I'm not the person who stole the wallet. Number 3. You are not going to the school since there's a pandemic. Number 4. He is our teacher in math. Number 5. Don't touch it. It might hurt you. Number 6. She is our mother. Number 7. They are the grade 6 pupils. Number 8. We hope that the pandemic will be gone soon. Number 9. I like my new t-shirt. Number 10. It is said that this pandemic is the dangerous calamity in 2020. Thank you.
10 examples of pronouns. I like biking. He is very accommodating. She is very beautiful. We like going to the beach. We began our work of art. Their house is near the ocean. Mine, the glasses are mine. His bag is new. It is a very fat cat. This is my room.
10 examples of pronoun. I want chocolate. You like her. He loves to travel. She cleaned the house. It just isn't possible. They played baseball at recess. We go to the party. Ask, would you like to go with us? Themselves. Carlo and Mark decided to build the tent by themselves. Them. They took the trash out with them.
Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. I am. Number 1. I am Joshua Russell. Number 2. I am 8 years old. Number 3. I am in grade 3. Number 4. I am a little boy. Number 5. I am the youngest one. Number 6. I am reading now. Number 7. I am his favorite playmate. Number 8. I am looking for my pen. Number 9. I am riding a bike. Number 10. I am going to teach you this game. She is. Number 1. She is beautiful. Number 2. She is looking at me. Number 3. She is my classmate. Number 4. She is a little girl. Number 5. She is a kind-hearted. Number 6. She is wearing a very nice attire. Number 7. She is my language teacher. Number 8. She is washing dishes. Number 9. She is dancing gracefully. Number 10. She is a cheerful child. He is. Number 1. He is my brother. Number 2. He is my best friend. Number 3. He is our teacher. Number 4. He is playing basketball. Number 5. He is a good boy. Number 6. He is on the floor. Number 7. He is asking for help. Number 8. He is a very shy boy. Number 9. He is good in playing sepak takraw. Number 10. He is my hard-working father. It is. Number 1. It is my favorite pen. Number 2. It is already 7 o'clock. Number 3. It is dark at night. Number 4. It is an artist. Number 5. It is difficult to run in a rough path. Number 6. It is my favorite fruit. Number 7. It is my new ball. Number 8. It is my pleasure to help you. Number 9. It is better give than to receive. Number 10. It is my interest to make big lanterns. We are. Number 1. We are Filipinos. Number 2. We are watching the news today. Number 3. We are going to sleep early. Number 4. We are going to clean our room. Number 5. We are all watching movie. Number 6. We are going to Baguio tomorrow. Number 7. We are studying at Guevara Elementary School. Number 8. We are playing basketball with my friend. Number 9. We are enjoying math competition. Number 10. We are watching movie right now. You are. Number 1. You are reading now. Number 2. You are a generous person. Number 3. You are my new friend. Number 4. You are a good boy. Number 5. You are so beautiful. Beautiful. Number 6. You are free to play after doing assignment. Number 7. You are going to participate in math competition next year. Number 8. You are my partner in making project. Number 9. You are industrious. Number 10. You are invited to my birthday party. They are. Number 1. They are playing basketball. Number 2. They are foreigners. Number 3. They are hard workers. Number 4. They are twins. Number 5. They are inside the room. Number 6. They are my loving parents. Number 7. They are always happy. Number 8. They are taking the exam. Number 9. They are away home. Number 10. They are attending a seminar tomorrow.
Noun is a word that takes place of a noun. Number 1. I am James Matthew. Number 2. I am 10 years old. Number 3. I am growing up. Number 4. I am the oldest of our siblings. Number 5. I am taller than my brother. Number 6. I am feeling great today. Number 7. I am sorry. I must dial the wrong number. Number 8. I am a unique individual. Number 9. I am playing basketball. Number 10. I am a simple child with a simple dreams. Is. Number 1. She is a very smart kid. Number 2. She is my friend's sister. Number 3. She is wearing a red dress. Number 4. She is our favorite teacher. Number 5. She is active and cheerful. Number 6. She is the smartest in the class. Number 7. She is studying medicine. Number 8. She is crying. Number 9, she is a beautiful girl. Number 10, she is very talkative. He is. Number 1, he is our mentor. Number 2, he is my favorite basketball player. Number 3, he is a nice boy. Number 4, he is good in mathematics. Number 5, he is my favorite friend. Number 6, he is very generous person. Number 7, he is my younger brother. Number 8, he is singing now. Number 9, he is our new neighbor. Number 10, he is running very fast. Is. Number 1, it is wonderful to have you here. Number 2, it is cold here in the basement. Number 3, it is my favorite toy. Number 4, I am happy it is summertime. Number 5, it is a wonderful thing. Number 6, it is nice to see you again. Number 7, it is your artwork. Number 8, it is my pleasure to visit me. Number 9, it is amazing to be your best friend. Number 10, it is my duty to serve you. We are. Number 1, we are resting at night. Number 2, we are good Christian. Number 3, we are in new normal situation now. Number 4, we are going to congratulate the winners. Number 5, we are so very thankful for having a parents like you. Number 6, we are blessed to have a loving mother. Number 7, we are doing homework. Number 8, we are cooking leche plan with my mama. Number 9, we are incredible beautiful. Number 10, we are enjoying playing basketball. You are. Number 1, you are a big family. Number 2, you are a very busy person. Number 3, you are the new elected president. Number 4, you are acting like a child. Number 5, you are going to introduce yourself. Number 6, you are invited to my birthday party. Number 7, you are my best friend. Number 8, you are a better singer than Lito. Number 9, you are blessed with golden voice. Number 10, you are my new classmate. They are. Number 1, they are very noisy. Number 2, they are preparing for their periodic exam. Number 3, they are clans of players. Number 4, they are busy with what they are doing. Number 5, they are classmates. Number 6, they are very industrious. Number 7, they are attending a seminar tomorrow. Number 8, they are away home. Number 9, they are in Tagaytay. Number 10, they are praying every night.
Pronoun is a word that substitutes for a noun or noun phrase. Examples of pronouns. Number 1, I am a grade 2 student. Number 2, you are very bright. Number 3, he is my cousin. Number 4, she is beautiful. Number 5, it is a bike. Number 6, we are the best of friends. Number 7, they are playing basketball. Number 8, my mother is a very caring person. Number 9, her dress is newly sewn by the dressmaker. Number 10, his kite was made by his father.
Examples of pronoun. They. They are good at playing basketball. She and her. She has many chocolates in her pocket. You and my. You have to come to my birthday party. I and my. I had forgotten my wallet in the room. Your and my. The person sitting by your side was my uncle. This and them. This bolt was unable to open for them. He is planning to hide behind the door. Only those students are applicable to join the contest. There, and you, there is nothing to hide from you. I, you, and me. I have seen all those pictures you sent to me. I, you, and us. I called you yesterday to join us for the party.
10 examples of pronoun with sentences. I want chocolates. You like her. He loves to travel. She cleaned the house. They played baseball at recess. We go to the party. Us, would you like to go with us? There is nothing to hide from you. It was patent to anyone that she disliked the idea. His son has been kidnapped.
10 sentences with pronouns. Number 1, I am not a baby anymore. Number 2, you deserve to be happy. Number 3, he is respectful. Number 4, she wants to go home. Number 5, it was a dream. Number 6, we are the children of God. Number 7, they are both young. Number 8, his car is new. Number 9, our dog is cuter than yours. Number 10, who is your teacher in math?
Pronouns in sentence. Number 1, I like French fries. Number 2, he is my father. Number 3, you are so beautiful. Number 4, she is my mother. Number 5, it was the first money that I had. Number 6, we are going in the park. Number 7, they like to eat veggies. Number 8, I cook for dinner. Number 9, they knew the fart would be crop. Number 10, she is kind.